Guys, so I'm gonna see how I can do the weirdest sneeze. Please comment down below if it's weird or not. Okay, I got it. Thank you.